What's up, YouTube? This is Legend. I'm telling you, Bitcoin going to 100K. Let me tell you why. Don't skip this video. Let me show you something what I've learned over the years of trading Bitcoin. All right, let's get right into it. All right, the NAS. NAS controls Bitcoin 100%. Let me show you something. Here's the seventh in the NAS, right? This is what a lot of people don't know. A lot of new traders, even old traders, don't know. In the NAS, right? The main stock market. On the 7th of last week, look at this downtrend. Bam, we took a big hit. Let's go to the 7th on Bitcoin. Bam, we took a big hit. Yeah, that was a big hit that day. I think it was like $1,000 lost that day. Now listen, this is why I think, actually I know, I'm confident, I know for a fact this ain't financial advice. I know for a fact we are going to go back up to 50, probably into 100K soon. Now there is a fear that we are going to go into a real recession, which we probably will. Maybe 2008 style, maybe not. I don't know. But listen, let me show you something. The main market controls Bitcoin. Now, there's a lot of people out like, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Let me show you. This is what makes me so mad over these hype YouTubers. They don't show you. Let me show you. Here's the main market. Here's Bitcoin. What does it look like? It's the same layout. Look, here's the jump. Here's the downfall. Here's the jump. Here's the downfall. Now you're probably like, oh, it doesn't look exactly the same. Yes, I know, but just hear me out. It's it's almost the same. Okay? Same look. On the 7th, we had a downfall and then market. On the 7th, we took a big hit. Now, you're probably like, so how are you getting a 50K out of Bitcoin? Let me show you. Just hear me out. This is SP 500 weekly. Now, I know if you just trade Bitcoin, I know you don't probably know this stuff. You probably know some of it, MDMA lines, stuff like that. But in the market, we're hitting a super major support, the 200 MDMA. And if we bounce from this, it's going to drag Bitcoin up. I'm telling you, it's going to drag it up. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm not trying to hype you. I'm just trying to educate you into seeing things as I do. There's some times that we've crashed, 2008, all that. But listen, if we crash, what is Bitcoin going to do? Go down $3,000? Oh no, you know, like it's not going to take Bitcoin to zero. It's not. It's not going to happen. Say if we had a 2008 crash, oh my God, 12K, right? Either way, we are going to have a bull run soon. The market's going to recover. And if you prep for this, you can be prepared for this. This is going to be at the dinner table in 2 years where, oh, how's your Bitcoin? Yeah, I made 120K because I knew the market was going to recover. And yeah, it's life-changing money. Now is the time to buy. Let me show you something. This is midterm election years. Sorry, yeah, midterm election years. This is the Democrat years of history since 1946. Now look, we're at this point in November where we're supposed to hit a low, and look at that red afterwards on the very bottom. We're gonna have a bull run and the market's going to recover and it's going to drag Bitcoin up. I guarantee you we hit 50K. I'm telling you, prepare for this. I know there's probably a couple other YouTubers talking about this, but nobody's going to take hold of this unless they really know. But I'm telling you with confidence it's going to happen. And right now is a good time to just buy and just hold for a couple months. Let me show you another chart. Here's the SPF 500 60-minute chart. We're going to have one more leg down. We're going to hit super lows. It's going to drag Bitcoin up. But when we bounce from this, when this bottom hits, it's going to be nuts. Like right here, when we hit this, we're going to hit so much support. Now, we could come back up, make a drop, and then shoot up over time throughout the elections. But this is the bottom. Like we're getting close to it. We're oversold. Like it's just going to happen. It's time. You know, If you don't believe me, go back on your charts, your charts, and just look over it, at the time frames and stuff like that, and you'll see what I see. Now, there's other things that control the Nas, like the dollar, the VIX. VIX it has all-time high. I'll do a video on the VIX to explain the VIX. You, as a Bitcoin trader, you need to learn the VIX and you need to learn the dollar also. I'll make some videos about the dollar and about the VIX. You know, come check out my videos, subscribe, like, help me out. I'm a single dad, I'm trying to make these videos. I'm trying to help some family and friends, you know, but I hope you learned something from this. You know, come hang out.